Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of timer on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of timer on YouTube app, we click on settings. In the first page you can click on apps and you will enter to YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. If you'll find updates, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video.